Naboigo ekero tokurigiriga ukumnyoka ngwatu tebina riri kwa iri base training nerororo yakagerekero kendo montara abugena about training umuntu nabakuru isiko gaiga amenyoke ende onye namaitena nabo kunyara kumnyoka. Let me just go and what is a typical day ya training yaguna kiekorolekana kero go chaka mambi kwabo kero what happens?
So it would depend. For now na change training before na like on the morning run from 6 maybe from 6 mpaka 7 usangi mnongo na morning run and na kora some strength like gym.
Yes.
From 2012 mpaka around 2017 sa ine na like on main program bono.
Yes.
Maybe ko bitere na mra endo se mwachiro sinukumnyake igetiro iga.
Yes.
Mwende kumnyake geti ani kubwati na mra ende long run maybe 1 hour.
Yes.
Then maragoba saa 9:30 saa 10 mwakara some east run is kama 10-20 minutes mwa yule na stretch maybe wakora ko workouts nini.
Yes.
But one after 2015 you know as you unakuwa very regular team mono you learn a lot of things. So na go overtrain before. Yes. So na get prone to injuries.
Okay.
So nga change most na go train 8 hours or twice a day. Depending in a season. Next season you want to train like twice a day.
Yes.
To maybe train mambi keronde nyomba na ngo kora some exercises, flexibility.
Yes.
Then maybe marawana in the main program.
All right.
Na kerongo you approach one say game usango train once a day, but okay. Maximum ya 2 hours ama 1 hour 45 minutes.
Okay.
A day.
All right. It's like a career, it's professional.
It's professional.
It's professional. Nabu kunye tech like umuntu naba era no muminyo kiweka all his life.